In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hyperlinks in Microsoft Outlook, guiding you step by step through the process. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher on using hyperlinks effectively, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know, all in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can easily find it by searching for Outlook Login in your web browser. Once you're on the page, you'll see the familiar Sign In button. Click on that to enter your credentials and sign in to your Outlook account. After logging in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. This is where all the magic begins. From here, look for the Mail option, typically located in the sidebar or the main navigation menu. Clicking on Mail will bring you to your inbox where you can view your emails. Now that you're in your inbox, it's time to compose a new email. Locate and click on the New Mail button. This will open up a new email window where you can start crafting your message. Once you have your email window open, you might want to highlight some text that you plan to turn into a hyperlink. Select the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the portion of the text you want to hyperlink. This step is crucial, as the text you select will be what your recipients click on when they want to visit the link. With your text selected, head over to the Message tab at the top of your email window. In this tab, you'll find various options to refine your email. Look for the Insert feature, which will give you the option to add a hyperlink. Click on the Insert a Hyperlink option. A dialog box will appear where you can paste the URL you want your selected text to link to. Once you've got the dialog box open, you just need to enter the URL in the given field. Take a moment to double-check that everything looks correct. It's always a good idea to verify your links to ensure they lead to the correct website or document. And that's all it takes. You can now finish composing your email and send it with the newly inserted hyperlink. Incorporating hyperlinks can make your emails more informative and interactive, guiding your recipients directly to the web pages you want to share. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy hyperlinking in Microsoft Outlook.